this is Christina with WTI, and I want to show you this awesome Tankini bathing suit set that I got from Yonique. This set is just so adorable. It is a halter style. It has some really awesome ruching through here, so it hides that mama tummy very well. I just love the print on here. This is the blue floral, and it's just so tropical and awesome. It does have padding on top. The tie is very comfortable around the neck, and I just think it's so cute and flattering. This is the bottom, which is also very comfortable. It does have full coverage, as you can see. Let me give you a better look at that. Full coverage there. This is a size medium, and I am 160 pounds and am 5'6", and it fits true to size. Super comfy and adorable. If you're looking for something that is modest yet still pretty and makes you feel feminine and beautiful, I definitely would recommend it, and that is my point of view.